Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Paul。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And it's my favorite time of the month because it's time for our phrase of the month. 今天呢，要来教我们的每月一谚。
好。
从这个每月一谚呢，我们可以学习到一些客家话讲的一些谚语，对不对？然后顺便把一些做人的道理呢，也要教
共一下。
对，共一下，讲一下。
好，
所以今天 Alice 要带来的 phrase of the month，what is it？
躺好哦，
躺好哦，躺好。
听好哦，不是叫你躺下去躺好。
好，听好。
躺好。
OK， 躺好，就听好。Listen up。
念看前边，
念看前边。
唔懂速走一边，
唔懂速走一边。
念看前边就是眼睛看过千遍。
Oh, okay. 念看前边 that means reading or studying about it for 1,000 times.
唔懂，
唔懂是
不如，
不如 Okay, it's not better than.
速走一边，
速走一边
就是自己亲手来做一遍。
亲手做速嘛，手做一遍。Oh, okay. So basically, it doesn't necessarily mean you're reading something, but maybe you know about something over and over again. But if you never practice it, if you never do it yourself, it's just never going to happen, basically.
自家要去做，长得辛苦
啊。
自己要去做，你才知道事情的这个辛苦呢。
OK。其实，在英文里面也有很多这样子。
必讲
顺便可以教大家。其实最正统的一个就是 action speaks louder than words， 就是你的动作比你讲的话来的重要。所以你要做，先做为赢嘛，对不对 ？OK。Also, you can say stop talking the talk and walk the walk， 不要一直光说不练。不要一直说 talking the talk， 然后你应该要走路，走路就是在做事的意思。Okay, so stop talking the talk and walk the walk. Or there's another one, put your money where your mouth is. 这个也可以。怎么 Alice 有点惊吓？我刚刚讲的像，不，因为这句话真的比较严重，就是可能在骂人了，就说你怎么一直在说都不练那样子。So put your money where your mouth is.
光说不练。
对，没错。So there you go. Those are 3 different ways to say it in English. But in Hakka, one more time, it's
念看前边。
念看前边。
唔懂速走一边，
唔懂速走一边。That's our phrase of the month right here on our Hakka lesson.
什么太嘎
And to say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.